Hey guys, I rarely go to this restore anymore because that's kind of a lot for that. Because it's not nearly what it was when I worked here, but I happened to be driving past while they were open, so it's as good a time as any to see what they have. That's kind of cool. I wonder what these went to. Oh, like one of those glass housing Hampton Bay things. Well, I guess the good news is it doesn't look like they're scrapping anything too important. All the blades look to be the newish stuff. What are these? They're very large. Oh. That's kind of cool. Yeah, this is why I don't stop in here much, because this one, they don't have anybody that puts out the good stuff, but since I was in the neighborhood. Okay, thanks for watching.